132. Okay.
Notify Rowan Police that we're on a felony stop right in front of the Student Rec Center. We need them to block off the sidewalk in front of the dorm building here.
Keep your hands up!
Let's go. We got enough here, Sean. Let's pull somebody out.
Driver! What has a vehicle making way from the sound of my voice? Hands in the air, do it now! Driver, stop! Driver, walk backward, making way from the sound of my voice. Do it now! Hands in the air! Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Driver, stop! Driver, take several steps to your left. Facing away from the sound of my voice. Do it now. Keep going. Stop.
I got him. Bring him back. I got him. Yep.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Get back.
Keep going.
Get back.
Stop. Get on your knees. Keep your hands in the air. I got the car, so get him.
What's the location?
Put your hands behind your back.
Can you tell me what's going on? Passenger, keep your hands in the air! Can you just tell me what's going on?
You're being detained right now.
Huh?
You're being detained right now.
For what? What happened? For what?
Stand up.
You're not gonna tell me for what?
Stand up.
Got guns pulled out and some shit, man. You going to college, man. Whoa. What happened, bro?
Come back here. Come here. Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
Yo, I don't know,
Get
bro.
back.
Like,
Get back right now.
Bro.
Back up. Back up.
Yo, y'all not gonna tell me what's going on? Y'all just gonna sit here and detain me like that? I don't got no rights.
Close your mouth. All right.
What the fuck? I swear to God, y'all better have a valid reason for this shit.
Or what?
Or what?
Come on.
Bro, you not... Gia. Y'all got all these cop cars on us. What the fuck happened? Officer, can you tell me what happened?
He's going to tell you in a second. Just listen to what he tells you.
Have a seat in the car. Have a seat in the car.
You got me on campus looking crazy, and I ain't even...
What do you need me?
Keep the door open.
You want to block this off?
Yeah, can you go down and get all them people out of there? Just keeping all these people back.
Rowan has more units to assist with pet traffic.
Bring her back further.
Keep your hands in the air.
Who else is in the car? Put your hands behind your back.
Passenger, put your hands out of the window. Do it now.
Who else is in the car?
There's nobody else in the car.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, step up.
Passenger, open the door. Do it
What is
now.
actually going on? There's nobody in the
I'll
car.
explain to you in a second. Come here, come here. You have anything on you?
No.
Just a phone?
I have my phone. And a lip gloss.
Just a phone? What's this?
Lip gloss.
Okay. Come on back here.
Can you tell us what you did,
You're just
please?
being detained right now.
For what?
You're being detained. We'll tell you in a second. Have a seat right there. Just have a seat. We'll be with you in a second. Alright. They say there's nobody else in the car, but... Yeah. You guys want to do an approach? Yeah, take Jack, go out with you. I'll stay back here with these guys.
What the hell is going on?
Is anybody else in the car?
Nobody else is in the
You
car.
and her?
Obviously, nobody's in the car, bro.
I'm asking you, yes or no? Anybody else in the car?
I just told you nobody was in the...
Okay.
What's going on?
Nobody's in the what?
Can you tell me
Nobody's
what's going
in the car?
on?
I'll tell you in a minute. Just sit tight.
Y'all can't... Yes, but no...
Vehicle's clear.
Vehicle's clear.
Hold on. It's right there on the door, Tom. Is that at the bottom of the door? No, right there. Is it gas or? Hey, give me the key. All right, ready? Come back here.
22. Come back, sorry. We're going. You out the Yeah, from I was a witness. He's pretty adamant that the male came out of the store. He's under in what store over by the Peking buffet though, with a black gun in his hand and pointed it at that charger, and then the male got into the driver's seat. So it should be the driver.
Where did they come out of?
Open the charger. I'll remember that black charger. Can you call me? My person.
What store would they come from?
Peking buffet.
They pointed a gun, supposedly somebody Peking buffet.
Yeah, my car's up by spot B. I don't know if it was locked off. Stay up by the car. Where'd that come from?
It was coming down Barger when I first saw it.
From where he said?
I didn't see it up by Walgreens. I came from behind Pet Boys, got on that road, and then I saw it.
Alright, I'm waiting for Rich to call. Is it tinted or no?
Yeah, I mean,
You heard this go out first. This goes to me, right? Nothing. Not anything obvious.
Nothing.
What do you have now?
Is there anything obvious sticking out? Don't go in the car. Just from the outside looking in. What's that?
Not sure what that is there.
Where?
Right there on the. I don't know if there's any paraphernalia or anything like that.
No, we're not looking for paraphernalia. We're looking for guns.
I didn't see any guns.
No, nothing in plain view. All right. You just stay up by the car though, so nobody goes in there.